Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to be doing some Thanksgiving DIY decor ideas. I can't wait for you to see all of them. So I'm going to take this 3-tier stackable pumpkin and I'm going to paint it because I don't like too much of the orange. So I'm going to change it.
This is how my pumpkins turned out. I took the big one and I painted it cream. The top one was white. I just lightened it up a little bit more with the white paint. And the middle one, I painted it pink.
So for my next DIY, I am going to be using the back of this board and I'm going to make my own thankful, grateful, and sign using this and this. I'm going to embellish it with some of my flowers. So here we go. I spray painted it color of white and pink because I love pink. And I'm gonna glue it down here, just like so. There we go. So now I'm going to stack them one after the other and I'm gonna embellish them with my florals. This is how it looks so far. How it looks now. For my next DIY, I'm going to take a 2-tier wooden decorative tray. It's going to have a little leaf on the top. I'm going to put the picture right here and I'm going to decorate it for my home. But you could also use it at work as a nice piece that's decorative for your office. LED lights at the Dollar Tree that I purchased, and I decided to take my pumpkin wreath and attach it to it like this. And I just went one row at a time, just wrapping it around, and I just like it because it's simple. Something very simple that you can have for your table or your wall that you can have, and the lights turn on like this. You can see them right here. I'm gonna try to turn off the light and turn it back on so you can see what they look like. I love how they look. Doesn't that look cute? That you can put it against your wall. You can have like a little dish in the front or a little frame that says thank you on it. Very simple that you can do at home. I love how it looks, as you can see. And you can weave them any way you want, any height you want. It just depends on your taste. But this is what I thought of and I love how it looks. It looks very simple, something simple that you can do at home that will juice up your home decor for Thanksgiving. The wreath looks perfect with the lights on and with the lights off. And it takes 2 AA batteries for the little switch for the lights. And I love how this turned out, don't you? So for my next DIY, I'm going to take these little pumpkin, I'm going to use them as coasters, and I'm going to take one and put the give thanks on it, and the other one I'm going to use the be grateful and put it on the other one. First, I'm going to paint one of them in pink and the other one in like a yellowish orange color. I haven't decided. We'll go through it now. this is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna give it another coat depending upon how you can see it, if it's more see-through. So now we're going to take off the 2-ply. There we go. And this is my second coat on my pumpkins. I have pink, and I was able to make it a little chocolate light brown on it, and I love how they come out. So I'm going to cut it out to see where I want to place it. I have a layer of it, and I'm gonna start putting my Mod Podge, my napkin, on top. So this is how it's gonna come out, and I just have to let it dry. So I have picked out this Be Grateful that I'm going to put it on. I love how this looks. So this is my stencil. Now we're gonna let it set and air dry, and then I'm gonna remove the word and see how it looks. So I did it again. I don't know if you can see it, but it just did not look right after it was painted on. So I just removed it, and I'm going to apply the other family sign, but I'm gonna leave it in the color that it is. And here we have it. I love how these both turned out. They look so amazing. So I love how these both turned out. Now I took the pumpkin that was wood and I just painted it pink, but I didn't like the acrylic on it, so I just spray painted it pink because it has the sheen on it. I like the shine on it. And then I found these laser cut wooden names that said family, and I just glued it on using my Gorilla Glue right on it. So I have two versions. I have one that I painted white and one that I left it natural. I love how these turned out. I love how these turned out. Don't they look amazing? Originally, my idea was one way, where I was going to take a stencil and paint in the words, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted. And every time I painted it, I just didn't like the color that I picked. So I just spray painted it pink because pink is my favorite color. And I used these craft laser words that you can use, that Dollar Tree has, and I just love how it looks. So I kept one natural and I spray painted the other one white, and I like the contrast. They look amazing together. I love how they look. And not only that, but you can also use rub-on transfers. I have these that I got from the Dollar Tree, but I wanted to put them when I put the word thankful. I was actually looking for thankful, grateful, blessed, but I couldn't find any. And since it was already Thanksgiving, I just decided, no, I'm gonna go more simple, keep it neutral, and I love how it turned out instead. I love how all of these ideas that I have came together. Yes, they shifted a little bit, but at the end, the idea was that Thanksgiving is the day where we are all united, where we are all one. We welcome friends, we welcome family in, and we are grateful for the things that we have. Now, do you like this shirt? Guess what? I created it, and you can get it too right here in my fourth wall. Not only that, but look at the array of shirts that I've created that you can get. I have one too that says thank you, because at the end of the day, we always tend to forget to say thank you, and that's one way that we won't forget. I hope some of these ideas have inspired you for Thanksgiving. I know that I enjoy Thanksgiving. Being with family and friends is what I love the most. And if you like this video, please subscribe, click that bell so you can get notified each time I post a new video. Find me on social media under Anita Inspires on Instagram, on Facebook, and on X. Thank you so much for watching.